Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're going to be making up, it is springs here, so we're all looking for something, a dessert to cool us down a bit. And so I'm going to make this fruit salad, and it's good for summer. You definitely don't have to wait for spring or summer. This is good anytime. But here in my bowl, I'm going to put in an 8-ounce package of full-fat cream cheese, and make sure it's at room temp for you. Okay, let me get my beater over here, my mixer. And what I'm going to do here is add in a 1/2 cup of sugar. And I'm just going to mix this up until it gets nice and creamy. This is some good stuff, y'all. I hope you give it a try. We got that cheesecake flavor going on here. And just get this down off the sides here. Make sure we get this cream cheese nice and light and mixed up well for us. You want to get this mixed up good. Okay. Now, you know what, Curtis? I didn't get my Cool Whip out of there. Would you hand me that Cool Whip? And into that, I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. It's a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I have an 8-ounce tub of good old Cool Whip. And we'll get that mixed in there. Scrape it all out of there. The only thing bad about this, any kind of dessert, a lot of them, you got to wait on them, because you want them to chill really well before you serve it. So make this up a good 4 or 5 hours before you're going to serve it up. Now I'm just going to mix this all together. Get it all mixed in. Where's my, let me have this. Get it all mixed in there. I can eat this stuff just like this by itself. Okay. You want to get it mixed in there really well. This will make a good dish too for your dessert table for Easter. All the beautiful fruit that's in there. See how nice and fluffy that becomes? Yummy. Okay, now I didn't get my other bowl out that I needed. Let me grab that. Because you want to kind of layer this a bit. That way you don't have to put all of your fruit in there like that, and it's just going to take more time. So I like to just do a little layer on it, take some out. Okay, now just kind of spread that out on the bottom. In my bowl, I have washed and cut my strawberries. I have 2 cups of strawberries in here, 2 cups of blackberries, a cup of raspberries, a cup of blueberries, and a cup of raspberries. But either way, I've been writing the recipes down or what you'll need in the description. So if I left something out, I'll always go back and put it there in the description area. You'll find what you'll be needing for this. And it's so simple. So what I'm going to do is add half these berries in. There we go. And just gently fold this over. You don't want to go in there stirring real hard and breaking up everything. There we go. Now I'll add the rest of the cream. Spread that out. And go in with the rest of the berries. Okay. Now I'm just going to stir this up gently. Just kind of fold it over till you get everything mixed up. And I'll finish mixing this up and I'll bowl it up. Okay, you guys, there it is. There's the berry salad, and we're going to have my daughter-in-law here taste it. She knew I was making it, so. Is that good?
I'm definitely going to make this for Easter, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I got to get me a bite here.
Make sure you save it some for me.
Oh, yeah. She loves this stuff, so I told her I was making it, and she's like, oh, I'm there. Let me have a bite. Mm-hmm. It's very refreshing.
They came out really good. Those berries are nice and fresh.
Mm-hmm. But anyway, you guys go ahead and make you up some, and I won't tell anybody that Sabrina's double dipping. That's her whole side right there. But you guys make you up a bowl of that, even for Easter or whenever, and you enjoy. Stay blessed, stay safe. Oh, and the berries, the strawberries, I did just cut them lengthwise and then across quarters, and cut them however you want them, but the strawberries are the only berries that I cut. But until next time, we will see you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.